Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshal James. Welcome back to my channel. This inner joy that you feel that you can't hold it any longer but extend it for others to see. Oh, exactly, that's how I'm feeling right now. Because I have with me the Oppo A93. Wow. Yes guys, it's finally here. The Oppo A93. I've been anticipating to see this device and also unbox this device, and finally I have the opportunity to do so. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and telling you guys about my first impression about this device. For a device that comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM and a 48 megapixel main camera. Wow, that's an awesome stuff for a device that costs about 125,000 naira, which is equivalent to about $328. That's not bad. That's cool. But before we go further, if you know you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video, because you don't want to miss out whenever I drop a new video, right? So true. So please do hit on the subscribe button. Without much talking, let's begin. The new Oppo A93 comes in an all-white looking box with a nylon wrap on it, which I'm taking off right now. And on opening the box, you're welcome with the phone itself having some of its major specifications on it. Next is an envelope which has the owner's warranty card and the owner's guide as well. And next in it is the TPU case for the phone, which fits in perfectly, as you can see here. At the back of this envelope is where you can find your SIM ejector tool. And next inside the box is your 18 watts fast charging brick, your earpiece, and lastly the Type-C charging cable. Wow, guys, the build quality of this device is awesome. Although it's made out of plastic, but it still feels premium. It is very portable with lightweight as well, so adorable, and I love it. At the front is its Super AMOLED display touchscreen with a dual punch hole for the camera. On the right hand side of the phone is where you can find the power button. On the left is the volume up and down. Next is a slot for the dual nano SIM card with a dedicated space for your expandable SD card as well. Beneath the device is where you can find its mono speaker, the Type-C charging ports, and lastly, a headphone jack. Finally, at the back, which has this shiny reflective color that is called the matte black. Next up is the quad camera setup that has this iPhone 11 Pro design, and beside it is its LED flash. At this junction, I think we should turn on this device and see what its internal has to offer. The device has a 6.3-inch screen size with a 2020 by 2400 pixel resolution, which gives it a pleasant and radiant display with a nice color management. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, giving you enough room for storage. It is driven by the MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core processor, which enables smooth multitasking and not exempting 810 with the Oppo custom skin known as the Color OS 7.2. Its battery department did not fail, as this device comes with a 4000 mAh battery capacity, which is not too cool for the device that costs up to 125,000. Come on guys, please, you should have done something better. But with the 18 watts fast charging brick, you can manage. Oh, wait a minute, do you think I forgot about the camera department? No. Oppo devices are known for its camera performance, so let's see if this device can meet up the standard of Oppo cameras. Okay guys, let's go there. It comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera and a 2 megapixel depth front-facing camera. Then at the rear, it offers a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, and another 2 megapixel depth, which I don't understand because you're having two cameras doing the same depth job. But from the footage here, you can tell the difference, right? Wow, Oppo, I so much love what you guys did here with your camera. All the footages came out brilliant and vibrant. Not too contrasted, but well colored. For the video departments, it's videos on 4K at 30 frames per second and also on 1080p at 30 frames per second. In conclusion, I love so much about the Oppo A93, starting from its portability, its design, lightweight, and mostly the camera department. And also which someone can give me this as a vow gift. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Please do drop your comments in the comment section below. Tell me about the device and what you love about it. If you own one already, you can also share your experience in the comment section below as well. Please do share the videos to friends in order to help them in their purchase decision. And most importantly, if you love content like this and you want to see more, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified or be the first person to see my next video. Till I see you in my next one, bye and bye.